कहां से वो रिपोर्ट लिखेगा? सर, sir, we have given everything. So that is what I wanted to correct you records. Sir, he has referred everything. NDSA report, he has referred vigilance and enforcement report. You go through this. See, Akbar साहब, ये आप पूरा पढ़ो. 600 साहब, नहीं. आपको मैं पेज वाइज दिखाता हूं. He has gone through everything. No, you are absolutely wrong, Akbar साहब. नहीं, आप नहीं, हम सरकार चला रहे, हमें पता है. We have no. You go through this page. You go through 600 and I will give you. नहीं, अरे साहब, ये बुक ले लो, सेकंड बुक ले लो. सर, आप पूरा देखो. एनडीएसए रिपोर्ट, अकबर साहब पूरा पढ़ो. बिना पढ़े आप मत बोलो. नो. अकबर साहब, कभी कभी हम इंसान हैं, कोई भी गलत फहमी हो सकता है. आप मेरा अच्छा दोस्त है, मेरा अच्छा दोस्त. ये इसका मतलब ये नहीं है आप विदाउट वेरीफाइंग दिस रिकॉर्ड एंड रिपोर्ट यू कैनॉट मेक सच टाइप ऑफ स्टेटमेंट्स. So let me complete. I'm not yielding, Akbar sahab. I'm not yielding. No. You are scolding like anything. I'm sorry. Absolutely, I'm sorry. I'm not going to yield. You have taken much more than 1 hour. No. आप बुक किताब कुछ भी पढ़ो, मगर गलत नहीं बोल सकते आप. नहीं, आप गलत नहीं बोल सकते. आप अगर वो सचमुच रहा तो सर, I have to answer. I'm the leader of the house. I have to answer every question. I have to address every member. I have to reply. No. You cannot. Huh?
This is what it is saying. Page number 664.
Akbar Sahab, 656 page number. You go through that page. The Director General, Vigilance and Enforcement submitted interim report on 2/8/2024 and further informed the government through letter dated 38/2/2024 that as directed by the government, it is restricting its inquiry to Medgada barrage only through letter so and so date has placed before. साहब, अकबर साहब, अब हम इंसान है, गलत हो सकता है. आप अरे मैं आपको विथ रेफरेंस पेज नंबर, आई एम कोटिंग पेज नंबर. द कमीशन, द फाइनल रिपोर्ट, डायरेक्टर जनरल विजिलेंस एंड एनफोर्समेंट, Medgada barrage. The government has produced a document mentioned in the list annexed to this said letter. However, it is reported through the said letter that the placement registers of work pertaining to all components. Dam safety report also is there. अरे साहब, अकबर साहब, आप गलत फहमी होगा. नहीं तो झूठ बोलने वाले अगल बगल में बैठकर आपको रिक्वेस्ट किए तो मोहब्बत में, प्यार में, ऐसा कुछ पुराने दोस्ती में कुछ गलत फहमी में मत जाओ. आई एम कोटिंग 658 पेज नंबर. You take that book, report. We have given hard copy to Akbaruddin Owaisi sahab. आप काप ले लो. Report of the National Dam Safety Authority. Before dealing with the report of the National Dam Safety Authority, it is necessary to refer to the directions of this commission. Sri G. Anil Kumar, Engineering Chief General, wrote letter so and so, committee on 2024, dated 3/6/2024, enclosing therewith interim technical suggestions on the rectification works related to the barrages of the Kaleshwaram lift irrigation project based on the site visit observations on 1/6/2024 by expert committee constituted white government memo so and so. The letter reads thus, anent to the reference second cited, and he has given everything. The report enclosed to the said letter reads thus. साहब, आप पूरा रिपोर्ट पढ़ो. साहब, मैं बोल रहा हूं, मेरा सरकार ने सबमिट किया. NDSA report we have given to commission. NDSA report we have given vigilance and enforcement report to the commission. And CAG report I have submitted. Officially we have submitted. पेश साहब मैं पढ़ के दिखा रहा हूं, मैं आपको झूठ बोलने का सर
अकबर जी,
जस्ट आई विल रीड आउट.
अकबर जी प्लीज प्लीज आप बैठिए. लीडर आप बात करने के बाद आपको टाइम देता हूँ, बैठिए आप.
अकबर साहब आप 1 घंटा बोले तो भी हम कुछ नहीं बोले. 60-70 मिनट आप वन साइड आप जो बोलना था आप बोल दिया, हम कुछ नहीं बोले. मगर जो फैक्ट्स को आप गलत दिखाए तो मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगता, क्योंकि पेज नंबर 646 report of the Comptroller Auditor General of India. This report is prepared for submission to the Governor under Article 151 of the Constitution of India for being laid before legislature of the state. The preface to report 1 of 2024 read thus: this report pertaining to the state of Telangana has been prepared for submission to the Governor under Article 151 of the Constitution of India for being laid before legislature of the state. There is a complete report is there. I don't want to waste your time. So I would request, you have to understand, this report is comprehensively the commission has submitted. This is inquiry commission. He has not adjudicated, he is not judge of this case. He is the commission, say one-man commission. This is the inquiry commission. It is appointed under inquiry commission. He has recommended everything, he has taken into consideration. Every report, NDSA report, vigilance and enforcement report, department has submitted everything to the commission. Not only that, they have called civil society, they have called experts, they have called everyone. They have taken into consideration everyone's report plea. So my point is that the commission has recommended certain things. They have found fault with political executives, executive officers, technical experts and agencies. Finally, he has said that recovery certain amounts, take action against some of the agencies and put some criminal cases. Who has misled the commission? They have suppressed certain facts. Based on that suppression of certain facts, he has given direction to take criminal action against those people. The entire report is here. Now my government is tabled this report. We are asking your suggestions, not your decision. If you wanted to suggest, you can suggest. If you are not going to suggest also, we don't mind. Government is going to take a decision on this report. We will take a stringent action against all these corrupt people. I am going to take a decision. I am here to take a decision. I am not here to sitting just like that. I am the leader of the house. I know how to run the house. I know how to take a decisions in appropriate time. Thank you, Akbar Sahab.
Honorable Speaker, sir. Sir, I do not feel offended, nor I feel upset, nor I get angry as my leader of the house, who got so angry. Hey, theek hai. I was laughing and I was speaking. Sir, Honorable Speaker, sir. Sir, I would like to refer to the page number. Honorable Speaker, sir, through you, I request the learned people of the learned government, headed by a learned leader, Mr. Revant Reddy Sahab. Sir, about report of the Director General Vigilance and Enforcement, page number 655, sir. Sir, in that second paragraph, page 655, it is reported by the government to this commission that the Vigilance and Enforcement Director seized the records pertaining to Madigada, Anaram and Sundila barrage. Right, sir? Yes. Now, going to the next page, sir. Sir, it is restricted its inquiry to Madigara barrage only, it says. Go to page number 667, sir. In the above facts and circumstances, this commission, now listen, last paragraph, page number 657. In the above fact and circumstances, the commission does not prefer to review the interim report and the final report submitted by the Vigilance and Enforcement Directorate of the Government of Telangana. The government is at liberty to take appropriate steps pursuant to the said report in accordance with the law. Sir, now what? Sir, no, sir, you're not understanding. You're not understanding what am I saying. Sir, you ask for suggestions to be given. If I am wrong, you please correct me. I have given a suggestion stating that as per my research and my reading and my understanding, it is understood that the vigilance report was not commented by the commission, stating that they, in the term of references, they are not being set to study the vigilance report. So, and
अगेन नो अकबर साहब, जब हम कमीशन अपॉइंट किए, एक मिनट, नहीं, आप एक के ऊपर आप ऐसे बोलते गए ना, लोग मेरा इंटीग्रिटी को भी चेक करने के लिए मौका मिलेंगे. I have appointed this commission, GOMS number 6, dated 14/3/2024. मेरा सरकार बने December 7, 2023. Within 2.5 months, I have appointed this commission. Vigilance and enforcement तब तक कोई रिपोर्ट नहीं दिए. उसके बाद विजिलेंस एंड एनफोर्समेंट कमीशन रिपोर्ट दिए. उसके बाद वो रिपोर्ट हम कमीशन को भेज दिए. जिस दिन हम अपॉइंटमेंट किए, विजिलेंस एंड एनफोर्समेंट का रिपोर्ट ही नहीं है. मैं कैसा इस जीओ में TOR में टर्म्स ऑफ रेफरेंस में मैं कैसा लिखूं? हाउ कम यू आर एक्सपेक्टिंग दैट वी हैव टू इंक्लूड एवरीथिंग इन दिस जीओ? अरे सही साहब, आप क्या बोलना चाह रहे हैं भाई? आप नो अकबर साहब, आप मेरा दोस्त है, आप लिबर्टी ले सकते, मजाक भी कर सकते मेरे से, मगर सरकार से मजाक नहीं कर सकते. ये ठीक नहीं है. अरे आप रिजाइन किए तो क्या भाई? आप रिजाइन किए तो मुझे क्या मिलना? मेरा अच्छा दोस्त है, हाउस में रहना है. नहीं, आपके एक्सपीरियंस मैं लेना चाहता हूं. नहीं अकबर साहब, आपके यू आर 6th टाइम MLA, यू आर सीनियर मोस्ट MLA इन दिस हाउस. I need your experience, I need your support. No.
Please,
Akbar Sahab, I'm coming on record again, time and again. I'm on record. Government submitted vigilance and enforcement report to Commission of Inquiry officially. I have submitted officially vigilance and enforcement report as well NDSA report. आप मेरा ऑफिशियल डॉक्यूमेंट देके एक्नॉलेजमेंट लिए भाई मैं जो काम किया, मेरा हाथ से काम किए, आप नहीं बोल रहे. मैं क्या बोलूं आपको? मैं क्या बोलूं? आप ऐसा बोले तो मैं भाई आप अकबर साहब, ये जीवो कब दिया? मैं विजिलेंस एंड एनफोर्समेंट रिपोर्ट कब दिया? वो दे दो साहब. अकबर साहब, आप समझ रहे नहीं. जिस दिन हम लोग ये कमीशन ऑफ इंक्वायरीज डाला, उस दिन विजिलेंस एंड एनफोर्समेंट रिपोर्ट नहीं थे. 18 महीने इंक्वायरी होने के बाद NDSA फाइनल रिपोर्ट आ गए, विजिलेंस एंड एनफोर्समेंट फाइनल रिपोर्ट आ गए. सब हम लोग कमीशन को सबमिट किए. उसके बाद ही KCR को बुलाया, हरीश को बुलाया, बाकी लोगों को बुलाया, सबका सुझाव लिए, सबका सुना, अपना खुद का गाना गा दिए कमीशन. हम भी यही काम करना चाह रहे. सबका सुनने का है. हमारे गाना हम गाने वाले, अब गाने के लिए मौका ही नहीं दिया. आप सीधा घुस के मार दे रहे, इधर उधर गोली चला रहे. भाई ऐसे मत करो अकबर साहब. नहीं, किसी का नहीं. You are learned, Akbar Saab, you are learned senior most member. If first timers say something, I can understand. But I'm not expecting from you such type of, I'm sorry. नहीं, ये आपके तरफ से ये नहीं सुनना चाहता हूं मैं, क्योंकि ये हाउस में सबसे ज्यादा एक्सपीरियंस कंटिन्यूअसली 1999 से लेकर आज तक यू आर द विटनेस ऑफ दिस हाउस. चंद्रबाबू नायडू, राजशेखर रेड्डी, रोसయ్య, किरण कुमार रेड्डी, Chandrasekhar Rao, today Revant Reddy. All these years you have seen everyone. You can, if you are saying something, people will believe. क्योंकि अकबर साहब जो बोलते हैं 100% सही बोलने वाला है, क्योंकि वो पढ़े लिख के पूरा समझ के बोलते हैं, एक्सपीरियंस से बोलते हैं. मैं भी यही समझते थे, मगर पहली बार मुझे गलत प्रूव कर दिया. आप मुझे गलत प्रूव मत करो अकबर साहब, मैं आपके ऊपर बहुत उम्मीद है, बहुत भरोसा है. मैं इसमें आप जो भी अपोजिशन जो भी सुझाव देंगे हम सुनेंगे, हम डिसीजन लेंगे. डिसीजन लेने का अथॉरिटी मेरा है. आई विल गिव यू. भाई अभी इसमें गए तो आप उसमें जा रहे हैं.
Sir, Honorable Speaker, sir, this is the book tabled in the House. Sir, by Honorable Irrigation Minister Saab. Chief Minister Saab बोल रहे हैं कि he didn't expect from me कि I am wrong, he's saying. ठीक है, I don't mind, sir. Individuals are not important. State and the people are more important. I mean, hundreds and thousands like Akbar Owaisi can be sacrificed for the state, give their life for the people, and I have done it also. Sir, now, in this book, page number 32, sir, the Commission of Inquiry, if I am wrong, I may be corrected. Commission of Inquiry, government-wide GOMS number 6, dated 14/03/24, has appointed Honorable Justice Sri Pinaka Chandra Ghosh, former Judge of Supreme Court of India, to conduct an inquiry on certain allegations and irregularities and embezzlement of public fund by corrupt practices in construction of barrage at Madigada, Anaram, Sundila, Kaleshwaram project. The same was notified in Extraordinary Gazette on 14/3/2024. The term of references, Gazette dated 14/0/2024, listed below have been issued with the clear intent of identifying the various lacunas, deficiencies, wrongdoing, corrupt and malified practices, if any, and to identify the guilty parties and perpetrators who caused such huge loss to the public exchequer. To inquiry into the negligence, irregularities, lacuna in planning, designing and construction of Madigada, Anaram, Sundila barrage. To inquire into the manner of award of execution of contract, including but not limited to deviation in contract and following the strict financial disciplines of execution of such contracts. To inquire into negligence of lacuna in operation of maintenance of 3 barrages by agencies concerned in the department, thereby leading to major damages of structure. To inquire into quality control of monitoring aspect, negligence and other malpractice agency, contractors and department. To inquire, identify and fix up responsibilities for any authority officials who extended undue favors in agencies, contractors in term allowing unjustified EOTs, extension time, wrong completion of work certificate, premature release of bank guarantees and such other matter. The Commission shall fix responsibilities for the lapses as identified by it during its inquiry into the above matters and financial implications or lapses as identified any other matter that might be referred by the government at the later date. Now, sir, last point says any other matter that might be referred by the government at the later date. So, I just want to know, have you referred any other matter in the later date which I as a legislature is not aware? Is one question. Sir, second, I am once again reiterating my claim and saying that the Commission did not take into consideration the CAG report, Vigilance report, NDSA report and Expert Committee report. It clearly said in this report that it is not in its terms of references. And now, when we have to go, I have said about vigilance. Sir, I have said about the vigilance, sir. इसमें clear लिखा हुआ है, sir. In the above fact and circumstances, the Commission does not prefer to review the interim and final report submitted by the Vigilance and Enforcement Directorate of the Government of Telangana. The government is at liberty to take the appropriate steps. Then, it is there, the report of National Dam Security, sir. National Dam Security, sir, there also on page number again 662, sir. It is saying, sir, it is evident from the orders of this commission referred to above, it is abundantly clear that the commission has not directed or empowered the expert committee to take up or issue direction towards repair, rectification, barrage. Therefore, the government has reconstituted the expert committee containing the 4 experts in the field of reconstituting the expert committee, later filed its interim report. ये सब बोलते हुए सर फिर बोल रहे हैं सर लास्ट में नेक्स्ट पेज में 664. I fail to understand in that they are saying the National Dam Safety Authority is an expert body and its final report is the outcome of technical study and examination. Commission does not, अब आप देखिए सर, the commission does not wish to review the same. The government is at liberty to take steps to pursuant to the final report of National Dam Security as suggested by it in accordance with law. सर मैं ये बोल रहा हूं
साहब, अब जितना भी चर्चा करो, स्पीकर साहब अब जितना भी समय दो, मेरे कोई एतराज नहीं है. आपको चर्चा अगला दिन तक भी करना है, कल रात तक भी ऐसी चलाना है, आपकी मर्जी. आप यू आर एम्पावर टू रन द हाउस. आप अकबर साहब मेरा रिक्वेस्ट इतना है, अकबर साहब 3/4/2025 government has submitted vigilance and enforce report to the commission. हम लोग विजिलेंस एंड एनफोर्समेंट रिपोर्ट, एनडीएसए रिपोर्ट, कैग रिपोर्ट हम लोग कमीशन को दे दिए. कमीशन ने वो रिपोर्ट को कैसे लिए, कैसे स्टडी किए, वो रिपोर्ट को कहां इस्तेमाल किए, कहां नहीं किए, हम उनको डायरेक्शन नहीं दे सकते. सरकार जिम्मेदारी से नेशनल डैम सेफ्टी अथॉरिटी जो इंटरिम रिपोर्ट, जो फाइनल रिपोर्ट सबमिट किए, वो भी हम कमीशन को दिए. विजिलेंस एंड एनफोर्समेंट प्रिलिमिनरी रिपोर्ट एंड फाइनल रिपोर्ट दिए, वो भी हम कमीशन को दे दिए. कैग जो रिपोर्ट दिए वो भी हम कमीशन को दे दिए. मगर कमीशन ने वो रिपोर्ट को कैसे इस्तेमाल किए, कैसे नहीं किए, वो बात अलग है. अगर आप बोलो सरकार नहीं दिए बोल के मत बोलो सब. इसीलिए ये टेबल में रख के अगर जो कमीशन कुछ किए नहीं किए, फर्दर क्या करना, इसीलिए आप इतना एक्सपर्ट है, इसीलिए आपको हम पूछे, हम जिम्मेदारी से आपसे सुझाव मांगे तो आप मुझे गाली दे रहे. मुझे क्यों सजेशन नहीं दे रहे साहब, आप गाली दे रहे. सजेशन दिए तो मैं इतना जल्दी रूम से क्यों भाग के आता हूं.